Before we go any further, one quick note. If you already know this tech stack, that's great. You will feel right at home. If some of them are new, that's okay too. But I do expect you to be comfortable with the basics. We are not going to stop and teach every framework from scratch. We will introduce tools when we need them and only to the depth required to move the system forward. Think of this course as applied engineering, not a theory class and not a beginner tutorial. All the backend services in this course will be built using Spring Boot. Spring Boot gives us production ready capabilities out of the box: REST APIs, validation, security hooks, health checks, etc. That means we spend our time on banking logic and system design, not boilerplate configuration. For persistence, we'll use Spring Data JPA. This lets us work with Java domain models while still having full control over how data is stored and queried. For data storage, we'll use PostgreSQL. This is where customers' accounts, balances, payments, and transaction history live. It's battle-tested database and commonly used in real financial systems. For async communication, we will be using Kafka. Kafka acts as the event backbone of the system. This is what allows us to build sagas, retries, and loosely coupled services, which are non-negotiable in real payment flows. For authentication and identity, we will integrate with Auth0. Auth0 handles logins, issues JWT tokens, and enforces permissions. This secures both user-facing APIs and service-to-service communication. We don't try to build authentication ourselves, we'll integrate it correctly and safely. So this is the tech stack we will be working with. You don't need to be an expert in every tool on day one, but you should be willing to understand how they work together because that's what real systems demand. In the next video, we'll stop talking about tools and start building. We'll dive into our first microservice, the customer service. This becomes the foundation for everything that follows. Let's begin.